This is the high-level system architecture. Uh, there's a central server PC wherein four components will be hosted. Uh, the signaling server and socket IO components are open source components, uh, coming from Node.js, and the conference client and the reflector components are the two components which we have developed as a part of our solution. Now, as you can see, this briefly explains the flow of the conference. Now, reflector will be the first person who will request the reflector component, and he's the one who will create the rooms and share the room IDs to the participants. Now, clients, again through HTTP requests, they'll connect to the conference client component of this, and they'll be asked to enter the same room number, so room name. Now, once the room name matches, they'll be added to the conference. Now, as far as the conference architecture is concerned, uh, this uses the relay or routable architecture, which is a kind of hybrid between mesh and MCU based architecture. Here, essentially, the reflector is the conference host. He'll have multiple peer connections with each and every client participant, and unlike the mesh architecture, the client or conference participant will have exactly one peer connection and multiple streams representing each participant. Now, when as and when a participant joins, he'll open a peer connection with the reflector, and the reflector, which will have access to his remote stream, will renegotiate with the existing participants, adding the newly entered participants stream. So thereby he'll be bridged to the conference. So let us take a look at the demo now. So this is the PC where this will be acting as a reflector. Now it is asking me to enter a name, room name. I'll say demo. Okay. So now I'm the reflector. I have created a room. So as you can see, I've created a room. Now the participants can join to this room. Now let us see. So he'll be the first person to join the conference, first participant. So if I enter the same room, demo, this is the permission to access local media. Now for joining, so here's the reflector. He got the notification saying one more participant is requesting to join the room, and now I'll say join. Yes. So now, since he's the first person to join the conference, this is his local video. So there's no other video, no other participants. So he's getting only his local video in a single time. On the reflector side, you can see the media negotiations are done, and there's an active call running between the reflector and the first participant. Now we'll see the second participant will join the conference. Now the second participant will connect to the same room. Room name is demo. The local media, I'll say join. Yes. So this is the local video of the second participant, and this is the video of the first participant. So the first two participants are in conference now. Now the same as seen through conference host will look like this. So the conference host is assigning unique IDs to each and every participant in order to communicate with them. So this is how the media negotiation. Okay, now the third participant is joining. Room name is demo. So I'll say join. Yeah. So local video and the videos of the two existing participants. Now we'll go back and see the first two participants. So now all of them have each other's video. So all three participants are aware of each other. This is the second participant. Now we'll join fourth participant. Room name is local stream, and I'll say join from the fourth participant. Yes. So they are the four participants. So if you see all the participants, they is the first guy, second is the third person, and is the fourth person. He is the reflector. So one limitation with mesh was in mesh architecture, the number of participants can never exceed 4. So here, uh, because for hardware limitation, we are 4 participants we are able to see, but this architecture is flexible enough to support more than 4. So easily up to 7 or 8 clients can join. So it also depends, the scalability also depends on the PC wherein they are running the reflector. Since the reflector has multiple peer connections, it will be better if the reflector will be hosted on a high-end PC. So hang up will cut the participant from the conference. The reflector has sent by, as you can see, the reflector is sent by, the participant has sent by, the reflector has acknowledged it. Thank you.